So it's an exciting MEK inhibitor LNP3794, which has potential for a lot of cancers, but specifically today we're announcing a partnership with BI to be combined with one of their KRAS agents and targeting the combination of the two potential targeted agents to treat KRAS-driven cancers like non-small cell lung cancer, as well as GI cancers. And these KRAS-driven are the most aggressive forms of cancers, and worldwide there is very little options to treat or no treatment available for these cancers.
What's the you said that close to $20 million will come in, and over the period of time, close to $700 million are the milestone. By when do we anticipate this to come in? And also, if you can highlight what's the potential market for this kind of drug that you're developing?
So the upfront is $20 million, which is due now upon signing, which has happened already. And the milestones are more than $700 million, which are going to be based on the different development stages before it's marketed. And then we get double-digit royalties on the sales. And the time frame for potential from here to the product is 5 to 7 years, obviously, for the first set of cancers, and then the next set of cancers to follow in terms of potential treatments. So opportunity is very large. The number of patient sufferers in each one of these categories is very huge. In non-small cell lung cancer, GI cancers, as many as 50% of these cancers are driven by the most aggressive form of KRAS. 98% of pancreatic cancer, for example, there is no treatment worldwide. So and so forth.
What's the R&D that's already been spent on this drug already? And will Lupin spend any more in this, or now will everything be done by BI?
So as of the signing date, which is now, Lupin is not going to be spending any more on this program. The spend responsibility has shifted to BI. We will be working with them very closely, and they're going to draw upon our expertise, and they have a lot of expertise. So that combination will continue for the further development, but the spend is their responsibility, and as the specific amount of what we have spent today, we don't disclose that. But as you heard, our total R&D spend is a public knowledge, and only about 10% of that goes into, so you can do the reverse math on an average. On the other hand, BI spends close to under $4 billion R&D spends annually. So and they're just one of the big pharma companies. So our spend is minuscule relative to the big pharma, but obviously our program is highly valued by some of these innovators in the field of cancer.
Okay, and my final question, this is the second novel drug that you're speaking about. The first one, what's the update on that one?
So the MALT inhibitor program, which we out-licensed to AbbVie, is progressing very well. And as we had announced at the time of the deal, they are responsible for all the further development of that program. And they're very excited to be working on that. And we're in constant touch with them on the developments. There is nothing further publicly to report other than saying they're very excited and they're moving it forward.